Hello friends, today we discuss about goods and services tax offline tool. This is the offline tool. Indicates upload new invoice, other data for return. For invoice, all invoicing updation through this column. Second, open downloaded return from GSTR portal. For opening downloaded return, open the downloaded error file from the portal, GST portal. Error file. New button, upload invoicing other data for return. Instructions. After that, overview. Offline tool version 1.2.1 has been designed enable taxpayers to upload invoice data, other data by collating in the tool of offline without internet. We can use this tool. Offline version contains B2B invoicing details and B2CL up to 2.5 lakhs. Business to customer interstate for amount exceeding 2.55 lakhs. Business to customers less than 2.5 lakhs. B2C. These details: export and credit debit notes and unregistered persons, advance, adjustment and HSN details all contains in this Excel sheet. Main feature of offline tool: data entry of invoice data, other data in the tool as required under GST law. And 2. Tool has functionally checked up duplicate record in filing created for the lot. Taxpayer can input data of invoices by entering details manually by or using Excel star XISX with oblique XLS with separated worksheet for each section of return is inputting invoice data. Import the same into the tool. Taxpayer can also use CSV file. This contains within the star CSV indicates on this folder. Generate a file, JSON file format. 6. Provide editing and deleting facility of the invoices for modifications. 7. File generated by tool has been uploaded by GST portal as this time internet connectivity will be required for updating this offline Excel sheet. E-filing of GSTR consists following sub-process: generate JSON file in invoice data, other data as per GSTR 1 return entered in the offline tool. Upload, generate JSON file, portal gst.government.in. Generate GST1 summary for all data uploaded in multiple trenches on GST portal, and this will be online activity. This file should not be generate more than 5 MB. Maximum number of invoices line time which has been uploaded from 19,000. Error file after uploading this file, we receive error file from GSTR website. Thank you very much.